Thank you for tuning in. If you want to see how I got these finger coils, then just stay tuned. I have you covered. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is just section off his head from the top, from the back. And then we're just going to work with the back. You just want to grab some leave-in conditioner like I have right here and just massage that in his head. And then after that, only product I'm using is the shining gel. So I'm just going to section off his hair first, and then I'm going to put the shining gel at the root of his head. You don't need much gel. So yeah, you just want to start using your finger and start twirling your finger. I'm twirling to the right side to give you that finger coil. So yeah, you just want to continue the process. Okay, so right now I'm working on the second row, and I'm just using my shine and gel and detangling the hair. You do not want tangled hair when doing this process, so make sure that the hair is detangled, and make sure you only using a small amount of shine and gel. Okay, so once the back of his head is completed, it should be looking something like this. And then you just want to start working with the front half of his head, and you want to start off by sectioning off his hair into two sections in the front, a middle part, and then you're going to grab a rubber band, get that hair out the way. And now it's time to work on one side of his head for a little bit, and then I will show you how that's looking, and then we will go to the other side of his head. So stay tuned. Okay, that side is completed, and then now it's time to work on the final section, and I will be showing you how to do that as well. Okay, now we're at the top of his head, and this is the final row of me finger coiling his hair, and then after that's completely done at the top of his head, the next step is to get your blow dry ready and your foam lotion ready to put on his head, and that is to help make sure that his hair looks well put together and no frizzing. So I'll be showing you that as well. this is how it should be looking. And I'm just gonna go grab my Millie spray that I used in another video on some finger coils. This is so good. This spray gives a whole bunch of body to the hair, and I'll be showing you that as well. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. You are very greatly appreciated. Have a great, blessed day.